Training. Price, $3,999. Length, 4 days. Advanced Do 178C course will provide a thorough understanding of the requirements and applicability of Do 178C, the fundamental techniques of software development considerations in airborne systems and equipment certification, and an introduction and overview of Software 2 qualification considerations. Formal Method Supplement to Do 178C, Model-Based Development and Verification Supplement to Do 178C, Object-Oriented Technology and Related Techniques Supplement to Do 178C. RTCA Do 178C, Eurokey Ed 12C is an upgraded version of the Do 178B, ED12B standard that controls the software for avionics systems and commercial airplanes. Training objectives. After successful completion of Advanced Do 178C training workshop, the participants can see every one of the pieces of Do 178C, articulate the distinctions of Do 178B and Do 178C, examine the foundation and advancement way of Do 178C, comprehend the Do 178C programming life cycle, demonstrate, clarify the constituent procedures of Do 178C, talk about the typical entanglements, issues related with Do 178C, apply the expected strategies to create and execute Do 178C, utilize the accepted procedures reasonable for their association, direct procedure arranging, expand condition contemplations, examine the necessities and engineering, play out the product check process, decide contemplations, memory utilization, worst-case execution time, language semantics, and so on. Comprehend and execute the Do 178C enhancements. Apply instrument capability. Course outline. Advanced Do 178C training covers these topics mentioned at below. Overview of Do 178C. Overview of aviation systems. Overview of Do 178C software. Do 178C certification concerns. Do 178C software lifecycle process. Do 178C data lifecycle. Additional deliberations. Do 178C software levels. Software planning process. Verification process development. Configuration management process, CMP. Do 178C supplements standards. Do 330 software tool qualification considerations. Do 331 model-based development and verification supplement. Do 332 object-oriented technology, OOT. Do 333 formal method supplement. request more information regarding Aerospace Advanced Do 178C Training Workshop, visit tonex.com.